welcome to Amethyst Star Crafting. My name is Jane Allmark and I'm a UK independent Stampin' Up demonstrator. And today we're looking at Rainbow of Happiness. Absolutely love this stamp set because who doesn't love a rainbow? You've also got Sending You a Rainbow of Happiness, a little something to brighten your day, you make this world a better place and you make me happy, and a little tiny thank you. So really pretty, and it's the sort of, we've had rainbows before, so I didn't get the dies, but I really liked these particular stamps because I like the fact that you could put this one through and this one. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to do a fairly simple one because I always think that the first time that you look at a stamp set, you want to do something with it that's very pretty, but you want it to be quite simple as well. So we are going to take the largest one. I've had a little play and you can see I've done it in pinks. So we're going to take the largest one, whoops, and let it relax. We're going to take the words. So I'm going to take all of this off actually, so that then we can have it all together. We're going to take the words. Again, they need to relax. We're going to take the lovely little sort of spiral ones with the little dotty lines or the lines on. And then we're going to take the smallest one. So that's what we're going to do to start off with. And then we might add a few other things in afterwards. So that's this. I'm afraid it's going to be a little bit of a shadow because we're starting to get dark now. Now I need a large block for this first one. So as I said, make sure that it's relaxing nicely and then just pick it straight up because then you get the right size. Now I'm going to do it in this direction on here, and I'm going to do it in not sort of rainbow colours because I wanted to do different colours. So I'm going to do it in Just Jade, Gorgeous Grape, Polished Pink and Pool Party, because that goes with the Just Jade I think quite well. So we're going to start with the Just Jade, if I can get it open. And I am going to just ink it up quite well. It's a fairly juicy one, so I can do it on both sides just so that I get it in where I want it. I think I'm going to do it this way, and I think I'm going to have it about there, wherever about there is, whatever's arrived. So that is our Just Jade, which has come out a quite nice sort of dark greeny colour because it's quite a juicy one, which is fine. Then we're going to do the, just giving it a bit of a clean off. Then we're going to do the, just put them up there, the words. So the words are going to go, and I can take a slightly smaller block for that one. So that's the, there we go. That's the Sending You a Rainbow of Happiness. And we're going to do this one in the Gorgeous Grape. So again, I'm just going to make sure that I've inked it up nicely. And the way I line it up, I'm going to bring it down a little bit so I can see it easier, is I line up the bottom rather than the top. So I line up where the legs are and then try and get it in as centered as I can. So that then you've got your bottom piece lined up and then the rest will sort of go in. Sending You a Rainbow of Happiness. That's lovely. So that's the purple. That's Gorgeous Grape. Then I'm going to do, so I need to clean that one off. We're going to have the one with the little lines in. And I really like this because you don't have to be perfectly straight with any of these. You know, as long as you relax them so that they come out to the right one. They're not, you can see they're all sort of quite fun. So it means that you haven't got to worry too much about it. So this is the polished pink, which will go with the gorgeous grape quite nicely. Bring it down again, and again I'm lining up the bottom and then putting it in. So I've got that in. I could have brought it down a little bit. It's a little bit high, but it'll be all right. First go on that one. And then we are going to have the smallest one. So let me get this one. And this is going to be in the pool party. And I'm going to put that one in down. So again, it goes in on the bottom, which comes out perfectly. So we've now got this sort of greeny rainbow. And I'm now going to take, because there's other words and things that I like in this, so I'm going to take from here, you make this world a better place. So you've got sending you a rainbow of happiness, you make this world a better place, because that I think is going to fit quite nicely in on there. Yes, it is. So let's pick this one up, and I'm going to do it in the same colour as the other words. So just need to make sure I've got it the right way up. Yes. So I'm going to do that in the gorgeous grape. So we'll have this down in on here. Bring it down just a little bit. You make this world a better place. That's nice. And while I've got this purple out, I'm going to do I think I'm going to do most of the accents and things in the purple, I think. So let's have a look in on here. I want these little liney pieces here, because they sort of give a nice shadowy piece to the rainbow. However, they need to be the outside colour, so that it then works. It doesn't work if you use any of the other colours, I don't think. It needs to be whatever you use as your outside colour. So I'm just going to put this up in on here. Again, I don't think it matters which way up they go. Let's have a little look on there what they've done with it. They've got 2 at the top, 2 at the bottom. I think it's exactly the same either way. So I'm going to put, again, just down at the bottom, one in there, and one in on the other side, which just sort of gives a nice sort of look to it. I might even do another one, actually. Let's do 2. So that's 2. And that's 2. That's nice. So you've got that sort of coming down as a little sort of silhouette, and then the words go up a little bit higher. And then I'm going to take and I think I'm going to use the pink for this. I'm going to take the little hearts. You've got raindrops, you've got spots, and you've got hearts. I think these little hearts look quite sweet, which I think are up here. So I'm going to take these little hearts and I'm going to put them, let's make sure that we got them so that they face the right way up, because we want them to be hearts and not spades. There we go, that'll do. And I'm going to do them let's do them in the pink, because we've got 2 lots of the purple. We've got the green on there, and I think the pink will work quite nicely. So I'm just going to take these out like this, and I'm then going to, let's put them like this. So we're getting another, almost like a rainbow. of hearts running around the outside. I've gone quiet because I'm concentrating to make sure that they come as nicely as we can get them. Nearly there. Fairly easy to do actually, because they're in threes. They just sort of go around quite well. The last one down on there, like that. So then you have your rainbow coming up over the top. That's actually quite fun. I think that looks quite good. So you've got these lovely, sending you a rainbow of happiness. You make this world a better place. And then all I would do is to put it onto a base of, I would probably choose, I don't think I've got anything that's going to be suitable here. I'm just having a quick look at what I've got. I've got black, which would go with anything, but I don't think I've got anything else that is that will work with it that I've got cut out. No, wrong colour greens, wrong colour browns. I'm just going to pop it on the black so that you just get an idea of what it's like when it's mounted. But I think that that makes a really pretty card. You know, if I did that in a slightly different colour, it's almost sort of masculine. You know, you can play around with the colours. Just choose some colours that you like. But I think that that's quite fun. And rainbow of happiness. So lots of different ideas and things with this. I'm going to be doing quite a few more, but as a first one, just using a few bits and pieces, I thought it was quite fun. So thank you so much for watching me. As always, please stay safe and well. Please be kind, and look forward to seeing you soon. Bye-bye.